know that there are several technology tools like this fan, this light? That car is part of technology or not? So light will be not there. So how car will there? So technology will be not there.
So guys, we have got Saksham from one side and another side, Mayank. And your topic is going to be that is technology beneficial for us or harmful for us?
It is harmful for us.
It is harmful for us.
Beneficial.
It is beneficial for us. So your time starts now.
I'm from Team A, and today I'm going to share my opinion for technology is useful and beneficial for us. As you know that there are several technology tools like this fan, this light. The light is giving us light by which we are going we are here we can perform debate and we can perform other sessions. Yeah, sorry for interrupting. You are saying to that my topic is that technology is harming us, and that you are saying then light, fan. In the ancient time, the peoples can also live, and you are saying light that in the night the people use candle for the seed. For the, you are saying that people are using candle, but I want to give you one example that if you are driving car at the night on the streets and on the roads, and there would not be technology, means the street lights and road lights, so will you be able let me complete. So will you be able to drive your car with the help of candle? Sorry for interrupting you. That car is part of technology or not? So light will be not there, so how car will there? So technology will need not there. So with the help of technology tools like cars, as you have planned, you are saying that light will not there, na? So technology, I am saying that technology will not there. So how? Then then you, if there would not be technology, so you humans have to do so much, like put there so much efforts, which they will put their own effort, that you are coming buddy by running. So it is good for your health only. Yeah, but why are you jumping on other topic? No, I am not jumping on another topic. You that no, someone that comes from bike, scooty. I come from a scooty, so it is my bad habit. That I am, why it is your bad habit? It is also saving your time and effort. So why it is your bad habit? No, how it is saving our time? It is making us couch potato. That we are not coming from our legs, and now and we should do running and we should walk also. So we can also do it in the morning. We can also run in the park, but it is also saving your time. Yeah, time that you are saying. But in the morning, did you wake up at early? Like a 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Like we have to ready also for the school. We woke up at 6 o'clock only. How that let's talk about. Okay, I'm giving you an example. Okay, you are going to school with the help of school bus. Let me. You are going to school with your school bus, with school vans and different transport. Yeah. So will you go with your school with your legs, and it would take so much time more than so half an hour. I will go before the time, and let's talk about the phone. How much early will you wake up, as you have said? Yeah, before little. My school at 7 o'clock. I will wake up at 5 o'clock. So you will wake up. Also, you can also, if you are waking at 5 o'clock, so you can also do running in the bar. I can do. So why did you say that half a by no, no, but 5 o'clock I am saying that no, let's left the school. We have to go with leg. Let's talk about the mobile phone. That is having us too much. And the people are they harming their, can I help him us? No, can I complete my yes point, please? The other children are seeing the phone too much. The people are seeing the phone too much. How? It is problem of technology. But it is not problem of technology. It is problem of your mindset. How your mindset is. It mindset refers here most that how is your mindset. If you have good mindset, so you can also use phone in manner for better ways. Sorry for interrupting you. That you will get tips. It is example. You will get tips. You will it. No. It if I would wish so I will it, and if I would not wish so I will not. In the world, the people will get one kiss. They will it, and they are getting technology. So why they will not use? They have my. How can you relate a chips to with technology? I am not understanding. I am giving the example that they can eat chips, but it cannot be related that chips are the part of technology. But I am giving the example first. Understand, then said that you are saying that that example that are like that are like you said.
It was literally a tremendous performance by Saksham and Mayer. Literally it was commendable guys. आप दोनों के examples, information, जो expressions आपने carry किए थे एक दूसरे के लिए वो बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ थे. मतलब बहुत मजा आया आप दोनों की debate को सुनकर. And one more thing that was the best part of your debate, that is your respecting nature. You were louder, it's completely fine. But आप अपने एक दूसरे के points को respect भी कर रहे थे. So that was the great part of your performance. Thank you so much, Rai.